Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 1 Series. First of all, we go to settings. It's already on Bluetooth, but if not, you find Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, and then we watch out at the bottom. We go over to this menu, and then there you go, the different things we want. That's media, radio, navigation, connected drive, that's it. We want connected drive, and then we scroll down to manage mobile devices, connect new device, like so. Telephone, Bluetooth, and apps. Telephone, it'll come up as BMW 68959. So we're just waiting here, it's thinking about it. It's thinking a long time about it, but probably the reason it is thinking a long time about it is I've just actually deleted this from here so as I can show you how to connect it again. But there you go, BMW 68959. I've clicked on that. So pair, and then OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. That's a good sign. When that comes up, it means it's basically connected. And that's it. There's iPhone Pro. And also, if you go over here, or you go down to it, and then you tap right, you'll see it's also connected for phone, Bluetooth audio, and apps.